2008 Porsche Boxster, and we're doing a pretty stealthy system upgrade in it. We're going to replace the three-way components, the tweeter with this Audison Voce tweeter, Voce 3-inch, and then the 6.5-inch. So those are all going in the stock location, so it's going to look factory there. We're replacing the factory amplifier with the Audison Forza amplifier. It's an 8-channel amplifier and a 9-channel processor. So we're able to bridge all the channels in a lot of different configurations in order to fit whatever vehicle we're working on, or whatever kind of system we're putting together. We're also putting in an Alpine double-din head unit to start off this whole thing. We're doing a backup camera and steering wheel controls as well, so that'll be fun. So one of the things we run into a lot with Porsches is engine whine. You can go through and try to fix your install and try to go through all that stuff, but sometimes it ends up just being part of, I mean, it's something that's in the car. So what we do to test that is to use an RTA, and we hook it directly up to the battery. And then you can actually see that frequency from the battery, and if it's there, then you know that it's coming from, you know, it's part of the OEM electrical system. Yeah. All right, slowly rev it up. A little bit higher. All right. Yeah. All right, thank you. So it turns out that this Porsche has the engine whine in it, the alternator whine. So Helix makes this little capacitor specifically for this reason, and just basically goes in there to kind of smooth out that ripple that's in the electrical. So now everything went according to plan. Today's Wednesday. I only got to work on this maybe an hour or two yesterday. So we had some other stuff going on. So trying to catch up a little bit. We got the radio in yesterday. So I'm gonna start working on that. Earlier today, yesterday I ran the wire up into the car. And then, had to move the battery and put it back. I'm having to kind of make a little modification here. I'm rerouting the tweeter wires, and then I have to go ahead and run it back up again. But no big deal. We worked through it. Pulled the radio a little bit earlier, and I'm gonna start getting all that stuff worked out. Look at Timothy doing work.
All the works.
Didn't you know shop owners don't do like work on cars?
Ever.
You didn't know that rule?
Ever.
Yeah, man. Well, you gotta get with the program, my friend. Timothy is very judgmental about people's footwear.
All the judging.
Particularly mine. Damn, when are you gonna get some new shoes?
At least not grandpa shoes.
No grandpa shoes?
No. They're vetoed at the EAS. It's gonna be an American Soundscape dress code policy soon.